So the 14th question in Leet code is to find the longest common prefix. So basically, we'll be given the list of strings here. Okay. So what is the outcome is we'll have to find the maximum prefix. For example, common prefix basically. So here you can see the right. If we say FLO is the prefix here, correct? FLO is also common prefix, but FLO is not here, correct? That's not a maximum on prefix. So basically, if you check the FL, right? FL is common for all the three, right? It's a prefix for all of the three words, or all of the three words that are present in the list. So basically, that is what we need to return. If you don't find any prefix, like here it is D, here it is R, here it is C, right? There is no common prefix here. So in that case, we'll have to return empty string. Even though if it's a one single character, we should be returning the that character. Maybe there are two words, right? Dog, dance, or something, some other word, right? Like all starts with the D. So the longest common prefix would become the D here. Okay. So the solutions I tried was so initially I had a like kind of O of m into n kind of kind of complexity, type complexity. Okay. So what I was doing initially was I found the smallest string basically. So let's say that we have some two strings. Okay. Let's say that one is only 5 characters, another is 10 characters. Right. As we are trying to find out the prefix, we are mostly concerned with the first. Right? Let's say that the least characters, correct? Like let's say that if I have a 10 and if I have a 5 characters, and the maximum possible common largest common prefix is the smallest one, right? Let's say that flower, one word is flower and second one is flower word, something like that. Okay, flowering or something like that. Okay, flowering. What is the prefix? Flower is the prefix, right? So what is the logic here is I try to find the minimum string first, the string which is having the minimum length, and then based on that we will do the calculation further. Okay, like whatever the string we get, right? So we'll be iterate through the other strings, and we'll check the character. Okay, let's check the f if it is present in all of the words that are present in the list, and next check the next character if it is present in all over the list. Similarly, yeah, the next one as it proceeds. Okay, so that was my initial approach, and we got the output, but it was like almost like it was beating only 64% of the all the overall solutions that were written in the Python 3. Okay, so this I came up with this solution, like looking at online. So basically what we are doing here is first it's the same thing, we'll find out the minimum length first. Okay, that is the way, right? Like we will get a maximum length like to which we need to iterate through, correct? So we got a minimum length and we'll have to iterate through that. So what is the maximum possibility now is one is zero, right? Let's say that if there is no prefix, it will be zero. What could be the maximum? Maximum could be the minimum length, right? Like whatever the minimum length of that string, that can be the maximum. Like it cannot go behind that. Okay, we'll have the low pointer and high pointer. And now what we'll do is like we'll be kind of like doing the search off of the strings basically. Let's say that we have like a string, each string, right? Each string of 100 characters. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll compare it with the half of the string basically, like first half of the string. If it matches, then we can check for a further string. If it doesn't matches, we can cut down the string basically. Let's say that if it is 100 characters, right? First we'll check in the 0 to 50 characters, and if it exactly matches to the prefix, right? Like whatever we are checking, then we can increment our counter and then check between 50 and 100, correct? Let's say that if it doesn't match, then there is no need to go behind. We'll have to reduce our pointers basically. We'll be keep on basically if it is matching, will be let's say if it has a common thing, right? We'll increment our lower pointer to behind 50. Okay, if it doesn't matches, we'll reduce our pointer, like basically the high pointer. It will be like we will search between 0 and 50 now. Okay, that is the logic here. So it is like we don't have to iterate through each character and check. It is like it will reduce the time complexity here. So instead of checking the full string, we'll be checking the half of one. Yeah, that is it actually. We'll be checking this thing, and we'll go to median, and we'll check the save. We'll decrease the pointer. That is mostly it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.